Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Eileen. I am 43 years old from the Philippines. I am married. I have two sons and two daughters. My highest education is college level. My expertise are child care and baby care or elderly pet care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years. And currently I serve a couple and children. My duties are taking care of children and cooking Chinese and Western food. I am willing also to take care of pets. To my future Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemates because I am hardworking, honest, and fast learner. I promise to be a good housemate and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract and more. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and looking forward to work with you.